The Jamaica Hotel and Tourist Association, JHTA, has renewed its call for the government to move swiftly in addressing infrastructure and other critical issues plaguing the sector. The association warns that the future of the country's tourism product could be in limbo if this is delayed.
Jamaica's tourism success cannot be sustained without greater investment in our destinations.
Outgoing president of the Jamaica Hotel and Tourist Association, Jarrett, addressing tourism stakeholders at the association's luncheon in St. James recently. He highlighted some of the progress made within the sector in recent months, but it was the issues which remain unresolved which has sent tongues wagging. While acknowledging the sector's resilience, he pointed to the recovery following hurricanes, the COVID-19 pandemic, and other global shocks. However, he warned,
resilience should never become an excuse for complacency. Our tourism product cannot continue to expand while infrastructure supporting it struggles to keep pace. Nowhere in that reality is that reality more evident than in our resort towns. Take Negril, one of Jamaica's most recognized tourism destinations.
For years, stakeholders in Negril have blasted the government for what they describe as a lack of investment in water and other critical infrastructure, despite the town's contribution to Jamaica's economy over the years. Tourism Minister Ed Bartlett addressed those concerns.
$11 billion is now being spent to revolutionize the water situation in Western Jamaica, including Negril, Green Island, Lucy.
Infrastructure aside, some stakeholders have also taken issue with the government's plan to increase GCT on tourism activities.
From the outset, our position has been guided by one principle: consultation before implementation. So let me be absolutely clear. The Jamaica Hotel and Tourist Association supports responsible fiscal management. We understand the government's responsibility to maintain economic stability. We appreciate the significant financial pressures facing our country, particularly in the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa. We recognize that governments are often required to make difficult decisions, but we also believe that decisions affecting Jamaica's largest foreign exchange earning industry should be informed by meaningful consultation with the people who operate that industry every day.
In the meantime, Minister Bartlett says the ministry's Tourism 3.0 strategy is expected to address many of the concerns and bridge gaps.
Now is the opportunity for us to redefine and to reimagine ourselves. The supply side of tourism, which is the wealth of tourism, and which is the essence of the capacity of our local people to become truly engaged, has to be now redefined.